This is the blue list. Number 1, run. Mr. Williams will have us run around the gym to warm up. Number 2 is tug. Dogs don't like when you tug on their tails. Number 3 is nut. If you have a nut allergy, you probably will not eat peanuts. Number 4 is cut. First, cut apart the snowflake and then tape it to the wall. Number 5 is sun. The sun was bright, but the air felt cold. Number 6 is bun. I spread ketchup and mustard on the bun, and then I put the hamburger together. Number 7 is mug. A mug of hot chocolate tastes good on a cold day. Number 8 is hut. A hut would not be a warm home in the winter. Number 9 is shut. I shut the door so the noise in the hallway wouldn't bother us. Number 10 is jug. I brought a jug of water so that we would not be thirsty. Number 11 is rug. Let's sit on the rug and do our morning meeting. Number 12 is bug. There was a bug running across the floor.